What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do another update video on the Traxxas Mini Max 4-wheel drive truck. Now, as you can see, the thing I use again, the battery just died on because the one thing I really like about this thing is actually it's pretty powerful in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because out of the sense this machine's been used almost quite a bit because, I know it's got some grass on it, the body is just completely destroyed on this thing, but it's actually still, still usable on it to see. But it's definitely not much really expected. This machine's been quite a lot of use, I think. But like I said, this thing is actually getting used almost like quite a bit because you can tell because well, think about it, guys. You see the motor is hot right now because this is a brushless model, not a brush model like most of them are. As you can see, I think this actually looks pretty expected this thing. The battery is really hot right now. You can see because you can see how much expected this thing, which I do like this thing a lot because you can see this thing. It will get used again this weekend, again and again and again until if I do have the Hobby Guam brushless model. I will also do a sci-fi comparison between this one and the Hobby Guam brushless, which is definitely what it is exactly in this machine exactly, which is definitely how much I expected this thing exactly. Which I know this thing got used almost ever since March, and then. But ever since this machine's got used almost like quite a bit because you can see how much expected this thing is, which it's definitely how I expected this thing exactly, which it's definitely what it is exactly on this machine exactly because it's honestly looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this thing exactly, so it will get used again and again and again until you can see how much expected this thing, but this is a pretty nice looking Mini Max 4-wheel drive.